Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video. I'm gonna do top 5 lip glosses. I have few drugstore ones also, and I have few from Highend, so I'm gonna share with you all my lip glosses today. It's the series that I've already started and it's about to end because I was doing the stepwise that we usually do our makeup. So lip gloss is not the last is going to be the setting spray, but this series is almost about to get over. I've already done liquid lipsticks and bullet lipsticks as well, so that might already be up on my channel. Before starting the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. The link to my Instagram is also there in the description below, so if you want you can check it out. Let's just start the video. Firstly, I'll tell you my drugstore ones because there is not a lot of drugstore ones. So firstly we have the NYX Butter Gloss. So I have two shades. I have the shade Creme Brulee and I have the shade Peach Cobbler. Creme Brulee is a very beautiful everyday natural color. Even the shade Peach Cobbler is very pretty, but it is a bit more vibrant, but I just use it on its own and it is very beautiful, very pretty, very comfortable, not sticky at all. So it is a very good drugstore ones. I think NYX makes the best lip glosses for everyday college going students. Even the girls who are in high school can use this. It is very pretty and they have a ton of shades, so you can find it. I'm very sure in the US you can find it in a lot of stores, but here in Dubai it is available on Namshi, on Lifestyle Store. So I actually love these and it is always in my bag because it is very comfortable and you can just throw it on your lips and you won't actually need anything else, and I really love those. So in US it is only for $5 and here in Dubai it is for around 30 or 31 dirhams depending from where you're buying. There is a lot of sale in Lifestyle, mostly buy two get one, so you get for a much cheaper price, and I'm very sure in US you will also find it on a much cheaper price whenever there is a discount. Then going on to NYX, I have one more, which is the NYX Intense Butter Gloss. It is very similar to the OG lip gloss, but can you please focus? But this is more of an opaque lip gloss, so you will get an opaque finish, and if you just want to use it on its own, that is totally fine. I always do that. And if you want to just add a lip liner below the lip gloss, that is totally up to you. But I have the shade Tres Leches. This is a very beautiful nude color and it looks very pretty on your lips. It is the same thing, but this is more opaque lip gloss, so depending on what you like you can choose from both. I think I like both of them equally, and this is also in my bag because it is very good. In US it is for $6.50. I think it is a little bit costlier than the butter gloss, but you can just choose, and if you find it on deals or on discount, great for you. And here in Dubai also it might be for around 35 dirhams because I actually couldn't find it online, so I'm not sure, but it might be for around 30 or 40 dirhams. Then I have the Kiko 3D Hydra lip gloss. I have only one shade and I have the shade, I'm not sure what the shade name is, but I think it is Brilliant, I'm not sure, but this is the lip gloss that I have. It is very beautiful. They have a lot of shades, and there is a lot of discount even on Kiko Milano in store, so you can find it. I had actually purchased it during the sale when they almost have a lot of sales going on their store, so if you want you can check it out. And it is also very comfortable. As you can see, it has a ton of glitters in it, so it looks very pretty on its own also. And I love these lip glosses and I love the ones which has different type of shimmers and glitters in it, so it looks very pretty, very reflective on your lips, and it is very shiny and it is not sticky at all. And I really love this, and I'm really not sure because online I actually couldn't see here for Dubai. I don't think they have a Dubai page, so I'm not sure about that. It is not very expensive and not very cheap also, but it is very affordable, so if you want you can check it out during the sales whenever they have. I really love this. Then going on to Colourpop ones. Colourpop one has amazing lip glosses, but my favorite one is the shade Moonchild from Kathleen Lights into Colourpop collaboration. So as you can see, this is the lip gloss. This one is more of an opaque lip gloss. They have different versions of lip gloss, the ones that are very shiny, natural looking lip glosses. Then they have the ones which are very juicy kind. Colourpop comes out with a ton of new things every week, so you can find all type of makeups on their website, and they have different formulas, I think, for lip glosses as well, and they are very affordable for around $6 or $7. And if you use an influencer's code, you will get it $5 off on your total amount, or even if there is sale, you can just grab a couple of those. And in Dubai you can find it on Glamazil. I'm very sure just on Glamazil or even on estilo.ae website. You can also order from Colourpop, but I'm not sure now whether they deliver to Dubai, but I'm sure if you check it on your website, you can totally get to know whether they deliver it here or not, because it's been a very long time since I've ordered from Colourpop, so I'm not actually sure. But yeah, this is actually one of my favorite lip glosses from Colourpop. Why is my camera not? This is actually my favorite. Then going on to high-end ones, these are the only lip glosses that I like from drugstore. Now going on to the high-end ones, I have a couple. Firstly, I'll tell you my favorite, which is the Fenty one. These are the Gloss Bomb. I think all the shades. I have all the shades, even the holiday collection. I still have it. And the newer shade, I think the one which is transparent one, I actually don't have. I want to buy that, but other than that, I have all the shades. I love the shade Sweet Mouth, which is this very beautiful light pink shade, and it looks very pretty. The shade Fenty Glow is not my favorite. I don't know, but it is not that favorite, but the formula is very good. I mean, it smells amazing. It smells really nice, and it is very good. And even the mini size is huge, so it will take a lot of time for you to finish it. And if you just want to try out their lip glosses, first go with the mini combos. In that you get a highlighter and a lip gloss, so you can try out that. I had actually purchased the lip gloss in the mini version, so I still have that, and I have other shades as well, and it is very comfortable, non-sticky, very beautiful, very comfortable. And I would actually highly recommend these lip glosses over any other lip glosses. Seriously, they are very good. They are not very opaque, but you can use a lip liner beneath the lip gloss if you want an opaque look, but I just prefer it on its own, and it is very pretty, very comfortable, very good. Seriously, very good. If you ask me one lip gloss which I'm gonna buy from the entire lip glosses that I'm showing you, I'm very sure I will buy the Fenty one, and I will pick the Fenty one because it is seriously very good. Then second will be Marc Jacobs. So in US it is for $19, and here in Dubai it is for 95 AED, and I think now it might be 95 or 100, I'm not sure. Then going on to the Marc Jacobs one, I have only two shades. These are the High Shine Lip Lacquer. I have the shade Sugar and I have the shade Some Girls. One is a very beautiful neutral color, and the pink one is very pretty. Pink one has a lot of shimmers to it, but not the shimmers that you can feel on your lips, but they are very fine. And I have the shade Sugar. Even this has a lot of shimmers, but they are not very visible. They are very comfortable. I seriously don't know what else to say, but they are very comfortable. They have a ton of shades. Since a year on Sephora Middle East, Marc Jacobs products were all on offer, and I had got this and they were on sale, so I think I got it for half the price. And they have a ton of shades, I mean a ton. Recently they had come out with, I think, the limited edition one. I'm not sure what the collection was called, but mostly all his lip glosses are more of a shimmery ones, so not the metallic ones but glossy shimmery ones. And they also have in this form of a stick, but I haven't actually used those, and I have only used these ones, and they are very pretty. Marc Jacobs is a bit costly, I mean it is costly, but if you find it on offer, just grab it. I mean, I had got the bronzer also during the sale, so I got it for a much cheaper price. In US it is for $29, and and in Dubai on Sephora it is for 130 AD. Then going on to the Patrick Ta one, I had grabbed these during the Black Friday sales and I had got it on discount, so I got it for a much cheaper price. And I have all the 3 shades. She's expensive. Is she younger than me? She's an influencer. All 3 shades are very pretty. As you can see, they are very reflective. I mean very reflective, and they smell really nice. Peppermint kind of peppermint, but they are very comfortable and they are very reflective. I mean, looks, even the Fenty one and the Patrick Ta one will make your lips look very juicy, very plump. So if you like the juicy plump look, I think these are the best lip glosses. The Patrick Ta one is very pretty. I hope he comes out with new shades as well, but these are the 3 shades and I seriously love these a lot. I mean, I love a good lip gloss. I am not a big fan of liquid lipsticks. A good bullet lipstick or a really good lip gloss, I really love those, and they are very hydrating. They don't feel anything on your lips. They are very comfortable, and obviously it is a lip gloss, so it is not gonna last a very long time. None of the lip gloss will last a very long time on your lips. You have to just keep applying after a couple of hours, but I'm totally okay with that. But they are very reflective. I had used the shade Is She Younger Than Me just in the center of my lips, and as you can see, it is so reflective. It is very pretty, so I really love those. So it is for $22. I had actually got it from Cult Beauties and there was some offer going on, so I had got it for a much cheaper price. I am not sure here in Dubai where can you find it, but just check on the Cult Beauty website or his Patrick Ta website. Seriously, I'm not sure where can you find. I have not seen Patrick Ta products here. Then going on to one of my favorite lip glosses again. These are from Dose of Colors and I have the shade Made You Blush and Almond Butter. These are for $17 here in Dubai. I'm not sure. I don't think you can find the Dose of Colors. I had got these from Beauty Bay and I had ordered during the Black Friday sale, so I got it for a much cheaper price. So these are very pretty. I mean, they are very opaque. These are the opaque ones. They have the both opaque and the ones which are more of a shimmer or glitter ones, but I have these two and I just use a lip liner and I use these. They are very comfortable and I really love both these shades, and they have a ton of shades. I mean, a ton. Find your favorite nude lip gloss if you want to, and if there might be more sale on Dose of Colors, I will surely pick more of these because they are very shiny, very comfortable. So I really love these. It looks very pretty on your lips. Seriously, it looks really good. I am really liking Dose of Colors a lot. So yeah, these two also are my favorite lip glosses. So I also have the Artist Couture ones, but I wouldn't recommend those because they are beautiful, no doubt. They are very reflective, very beautiful, very plumpy, juicy kind, but they are of a very thick formula. It is a bit sticky, so I wouldn't actually recommend those, and I'm not sure here in Dubai where can I find those. I got it from Beauty Bay, but yeah, these are all the lip glosses which I really love. I'm very sure I have said more than 5 lip glosses. I have done that for all the products. So yeah, I just want to share my favorite lip glosses. So if you want to buy the Colourpop one, they have, I think, all shades. Whatever shade you want, I'm very sure you will find it on the Colourpop website, and they have different formulas for lip glosses as well, so you can check it out. And yeah guys, let me know in the comments below what is your favorite lip gloss, from which brand or which lip gloss you prefer. So please let me know in the comments below, and yeah guys, I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.